Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we talked about standard neural networks. They are great at recognizing images, like telling a cat from a dog. But they have a major flaw. They have no memory. They don't know what happened 5 seconds ago. Today, we are going to discuss the solution to that problem, the recurrent neural network, or RNN. To understand RNNs, you have to understand sequence. If I show you a photo of a cat, you don't need to know what photo you saw yesterday to understand it. The input is independent. But if I ask you to read a sentence, the order matters. Take the sentence, he fished by the river bank. To understand the word bank, you need to remember the word river from earlier in the sentence. If you forget river, bank could mean a place where you deposit money. Standard networks can't do this. They treat every word separately. RNNs, however, have a memory. So, how does an RNN remember? In a normal network, information flows straight, input to output. In an RNN, there is a loop. When the network processes the first word, it creates an output, but it also creates something called a hidden state. Think of this hidden state as a temporary memory. When the second word arrives, the network doesn't just look at the new word. It combines the new word with the hidden state from the previous step. It carries the context forward step by step through the whole sequence. Where is this actually used? You use RNNs every day? Example 1, autocomplete. When you type, please turn on your phone predicts light or ici. It does this because the RNN remembers the sequence of words you just typed. Example 2, translation. Google Translate doesn't translate word for word. It reads the whole sentence, builds a context in its memory using an RNN, and then generates the translation in the new language. Example 3, stock market. To predict if a stock goes up or down, you can't just look at today's price. You need the trend from the last 30 days. RNNs are perfect for this time series data. RNNs were a massive breakthrough. But they aren't perfect. They suffer from something called short-term memory or the vanishing gradient problem. Basically, if a sentence is really, really long, the RNN tends to forget the beginning by the time it reaches the end. To fix this, scientists created advanced versions called LSTMs and GRUs, which we will cover in the next video. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simplified AI tutorials. See you in the next class.